We're standing on a private dock with deep water access in one of Murrells Inlet's most exclusive neighborhoods, Mount Gilead.
Six bedrooms, this gorgeous chef's kitchen, a private sauna. This is what every day at 527 Mount Gilead Road looks like. Think about your day. Morning coffee on the balcony, and then spend your afternoons in the pool.
Behind me, you'll see a gorgeous pool, multiple outside entertainment areas, and a balcony perfect for watching our beautiful South Carolina sunsets. You know, one of my favorite things about Mount Gilead, there's no HOA and it's absolutely stunning.
Yes, and if you think this house could work for you, reach out to us.